Welcome back to Better Avec Bourbon. Today we'll be making two New Orleans classics served on the rocks, the Sazerac and the Vieux Carré. See if you can spot the one with sweet vermouth. I specify served on the rocks here as I've seen many a bartender serve it in a chilled glass without a rock. I also like generous lemon zest in these drinks as it helps to brighten these spirit-forward cocktails. For your Sazerac ingredients, you'll need rye, ideally Sazerac Rye, a good VSOP Cognac or brandy, rich simple syrup, Peychaud's bitters, and Herbstura. A lot of people would simply add Angostura to the cocktail and do an absinthe rinse or mist of the glass, but I like the better incorporation that using Herbstura provides. Herbstura is half and half Angostura and absinthe in an old Ango bottle. It's a tiki ingredient and the name is a compound between Angostura bitters and Herbsinte, intended to replace absinthe, which was banned in the US at the time. For the Vieux Carré, you'll need rye, VSOP Cognac or brandy, a great sweet vermouth like Cocchi, Bénédictine, Peychaud's bitters, and Angostura. Fasten your seatbelts as we head down to the boat. Gather your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, let's talk about glassware. Get 2 rocks glasses icy cold. I've seen people use coupes, Gibraltar glasses, and everything in between, but a solid rocks glass is never the wrong move, especially when they're chilled. These glasses are a little snug so as to make the drinks look nice and full, so I have to coax the ice in, which also helps to chill the glassware. I'll also be building the drinks in the glass with these cubes, so that little bit of dilution from the ice won't hurt. When they're ready, set them to the side and get your bar mat, one of your rocks glasses, and start building the Sazerac by adding 3 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, followed by 2 dashes of Herbstura. Then grab your go-to jigger and measure out a 1/4 ounce of rich simple syrup, add it to your glass, a 1/2 ounce of VSOP Cognac, add it to your glass, and then measure 1.5 ounces of rye, and add it to your glass piece by piece. Ensure your ice is ready to roll. And then stir for 30 to 40 seconds. If you make it this way, be sure to stir for a full 30 seconds, as otherwise you won't get enough dilution, which could ruin the vibe. Once you're satisfied and the drink is no longer thirsty, zest fresh lemon over the glass and rim, or be a little dangerous and dip a frozen lemon peel in. And there you have the Sazerac. Believed by some to be the oldest cocktail, but regardless of age, it's a classic. Next, let's make the Vieux Carré, which means Old Square, referring to the old French quarters in New Orleans. Starting off, grab a doppelganger of your last glass, or whatever your chosen glassware is, your jigger, and start by measuring 1/3 of an ounce of Bénédictine. Add it to your glass. Then add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, followed by 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Next, measure 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth and add it to your glass. Three-quarters of an ounce of VSOP Cognac, add it to your glass, 3/4 of an ounce of rye. I stopped pouring prematurely there, and add it to your glass. Then stir for a good 30 to 40 seconds. I'm a sucker for sweet vermouth cocktails. It adds a lovely bronze or blood orange hue to the cocktails, and when combined with cognac and the other ingredients, you get this beautiful auburn color. Once properly diluted, make sure your ice continues to spin to affirm you had enough torque in that straw. Get another frozen lemon, dip its feet in, and then get the Sazerac back for a family photo. Let's talk about flavors. The Sazerac is good. It has stone fruit flavors from the Hennessy, spice from the rye, and a little black licorice and added allspice flavor from the Herbstura. And a little bit of lemon citrus brings it home. Now let's talk about the Vieux Carré. The first time I had this was with St. Remy VSOP and Dolin Vermouth, and I wasn't a fan. This is excellent. Everything works so well together. It's sweet, fruity, and herbaceous while still remaining dry from the bitter elements. If you're not big on sweet vermouth but love something more spirit forward, this is the one. The marriage between everything is superb, and the big cube keeps the edges of the drink soft and approachable. 5 thumbs up. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite New Orleans cocktail? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit the like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.